Assalamualaikum. SM Akhtaruzzaman, Assistant Teacher English, Dolarmondia Secondary School. My dear students, I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I know that every students has some sense of teaching of tense. There are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. So I discuss about tense today. So do you know the spelling and meaning tense? Already you have known that there are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. So I shall go to Dhaka. This is future tense. I play football. This is present tense. I played football. This is past tense. You know that present tense is going on, the act is going on, the work is going on. Past tense, the work has been done, the work had been done, already has been completed. Previous, this is previous time, totally completed. Now future tense, it will be happen in future, that's why it's called future tense. So future present tense also is divided four kinds: present tense 4 kinds, past tense 4 kinds and future tense 4 kinds. Total tense 12 kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. In detail I will explain present tense. There are 4 kinds of present tense. You know that present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Present tense is also 4 kinds. There are present indefinite tense, present indefinite tense. Do you give any example of present indefinite tense? I play football. Present indefinite tense. This is affirmative sentence. I play football. Affirmative. And negative, I don't play football. You know that structure, affirmative sentence, I play football, structure, subject plus verb plus extension. Negative sentence structure, subject plus do not oblique doesn't plus verb plus extension. So affirmative sentence, I play football. Negative sentence, I don't play football. Structure, subject plus verb plus extension, subject plus don't oblique doesn't plus verb plus extension. Now I again interrogative sentence. I again explain about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, note of interrogation, you have to use note of interrogation, INT, interrogative. Do I play football? Note of interrogation. Do I play football? Do you play football? Do they play football? This is interrogative sentence. And structure, do oblique does plus subject plus verb, principal verb plus extension plus note of interrogation. So this is interrogative sentence, and another sentence is negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Don't I play football?